In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Structure by Tempo software for Jira. Structure for Jira is an invaluable tool in the realm of project portfolio management. It operates as a plugin for Jira and offers a comprehensive spreadsheet-like view that allows you to craft flexible, user-defined issue hierarchies. This makes it easier to manage multiple projects and coordinate across various teams, all within one platform. Now, let's dive right into the installation process. First, you'll want to direct your attention to the left panel of your Jira dashboard. Here, you'll find the Apps section, which is your gateway to the vast array of extensions available for Jira. Give that a click. Once you've opened the Apps section, your next move is to click on Explore More Apps. This is where you'll gain access to the entire marketplace of Jira plugins, enabling you to enhance your Jira experience by adding new functionalities. In the search bar that becomes available, type in Structure. This will bring up a list of plugins related to your search. Locate the one specifically named Structure by Tempo software. Clicking on it will lead you to the app's dedicated page. On the Structure app page, you'll find a range of useful information to help you make an informed decision. You'll see details about its features, like how it allows an unprecedented level of customization in organizing your project information. Additionally, there will be reviews from other users that provide insight into their experiences with the plugin. After exploring these details and deciding that Structure is the right tool for you, focus your attention on the top right corner of the page. There, you'll notice a button labeled Try for Free. This free trial allows you to evaluate the capabilities of Structure without any initial financial commitment. Click Try for Free, and you'll be guided through the connection instructions. These instructions are typically straightforward, but make sure to follow each step carefully to ensure the plugin integrates smoothly with your Jira setup. And with that, you're all set. Thanks to the seamless integration process of the Jira Marketplace, Structure should now be available within your Jira environment, ready to help you streamline your project management efforts. Once installed, leverage Structure's capacity to create hierarchical views, enabling more effective oversight and collaboration. Remember, whether it's coordinating between minor tasks or managing a major project, Structure supports a visual and structured approach that helps keep everything organized. If you encounter any issues or have more questions about using Structure, their support community or official documentation is always a great place to turn. Enjoy exploring the enhanced capabilities of your newly boosted Jira setup.